I really enjoy making this vegetarian dish because it's very simple and it only calls for 4 ingredients. You start off by dicing your onion, white or yellow. You can also dice up a little bit of garlic. That was about 3 medium cloves. And that was a tomato, 1 medium tomato. Diced it up, and that was it. Followed by the zucchini. That was about 1 pound of zucchini. You dice it up, just make sure it's all the same size. Then you put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet. And you toss in your onions, then the tomato and the garlic, and last but certainly not least, the zucchini. You mix it all together and then you cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes on low, covered. Enjoy!